Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I'm making lemon blueberry bars and they came out so good. This recipe is originally a cookie recipe, but I tweaked it and it came out so good. So first I'm going to start off with 1 cup of blueberries. These are frozen thawed blueberries. And I'm adding 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. This is supposed to help them from sinking, the flour. So now I have a big bowl and I'm adding 2 eggs, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and the lemon zest from 1 lemon. Now I'm adding lemon cake mix, just a boxed lemon cake mix. Now this is where I should have stirred it before adding the blueberries. It would have been a little easier, but either way, it comes out good. I was just careful and I mixed it all together. This is my mixture. So now I'm going to get a 9x9 cake pan. And that's what I'm going to cook it in. That's the perfect size, 9x9. And then I cut these 2 pieces of parchment paper like this, and that's going to make it easier to remove the cooked bars. Now I have a 350-degree oven that's hot and waiting. And the cook time on this is 25 to 30 minutes. I wanted to wait till it gets this nice, beautiful golden brown on the edges. And you cook it until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. And see that parchment paper is going to make it easy to remove. So you remove it, place it on the counter until it's cooled off, and then you start cutting into it. And pretty much you can make your bars as big as you want. So you just cut them all into pieces like this. I put it in a nice little pan, a tray. Then I started sprinkling some confectioner's sugar on top just to make it look pretty. These came out really good. I shared them with some friends and everybody loved them. So these are my lemon blueberry bars. Very easy, made with a cake mix. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell in the corner to see all my recipes, and I'll see you next time.